What's up, everybody? I have no idea. I feel so weird. It's been so long since I've done this. Okay.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
What's good, everybody? It's your girl Okayrichay here, back again with another video. Long time no see. It's probably been about 3 months. No, it's not 3. Well, almost 3 months. The last video was in December, probably like the first week of December. And I was supposed to continue. However, if you did follow me on Instagram, you know that there's been so much happening. One, as you can tell, as of recently, this is not my apartment like y'all normally see me in. This is my dad's house, and he's been asking me to move in with him for quite a while to help out, just deal with everything, take care of my little sister and all that, and mainly save money. So my contract ended March 1st. But I moved out mid-February, as I do, and took care of it, paid my rent, and my contract ended. So now I'm here trying to save money. What else? What has happened? So much has happened. Oh, yeah. I lost my job like several times because COVID sucks. And yeah, I'm still trying to find a new job, new income. Probably work from home. Don't look at my hair. It looks really bad. It's definitely not curly right now because I haven't washed it and it's been in a bun. Yeah, trying to look for a new job right now. Trying to find a work from home, something easy for me to deal with, because if you did follow me on Instagram, you did see that I had posted several times that I was not feeling well. I got super sick around November, actually Thanksgiving week, before Thanksgiving even happened, in the beginning of the week. I got really sick. I wasn't feeling well. I wasn't eating much. I began taking around 6 naps a day, which is insane. And it wasn't like voluntarily. It was like I was so exhausted that I had no choice. And then December came around and people kept telling me, go to the hospital, because it just got so much worse. I couldn't stand. I couldn't drive. I passed out actually in the restaurant. I couldn't stand for long periods of time because I want to pass out. Everything was just really bad, and everyone kept saying it's COVID. No, it's not COVID. I know what COVID is. And I never had COVID, and I hopefully will never get COVID. But yeah, it had been around 4 weeks by this time, and everyone was just so adamant of me going to the hospital, and I hate hospitals. They're not my favorite place to be. And so I just was too selfish. Didn't want to go to the hospital at all, whatsoever. So I didn't, because I'm stubborn. Leave me alone. So basically January 6th had came around, and I had screwed myself over so bad on my Instagram stories. I was trying to keep y'all updated, but not really, because I was sleeping most of the time because I just didn't have the energy. But I was struggling to eat like 6 chicken nuggets, probably like 5 pizza rolls on certain days. Like, that would literally be such a struggle. And it was to the point where I just couldn't do it no more. I remember I got in my car, I made it to get this brand new job that was going to pay me pretty decently. I was super excited for it. I did the whole training, and then as soon as training got out and I had to take my uniforms downstairs to my car, I got to the elevator and I was not feeling well whatsoever. I was able to lie about it through the whole training process that day, but oh my god, the end of the day came and I got downstairs. I barely made it to my car. I sat in my car and I realized I can't drive. Like, I am not feeling well at all. So finally I called my mother and I was like, I need you to take me to the doctor's to see my results, because we had been going through lab results like crazy, like trying to figure out what's going on. And we waited hours and hours and hours to get these lab results from this doctor, only for them to tell me I'm fine. It was ridiculous. And they're like, you should probably go to the hospital because you haven't eaten And y'all, I'm pretty pain tolerant, but the hunger pains was so strong that I wanted to die. I was crying so bad. Like, my mom was not used to seeing me cry at all for any kind of pain. And at that point, yeah, it was just like, we're taking you to the hospital. So I ended up in the hospital on January 6th. And they told me some interesting news that I was not hoping for whatsoever. But it's now March something, and I've learned to accept it, especially since I do live in Texas and the way everything's going. I am, in fact, pregnant. Yes, I am pregnant, and I am still struggling. I can't keep sugar in me to save my life, because apparently my body just doesn't have enough sugar to function, which is an issue. And then my anemia on top of that, and it's just so much going on, and me trying to be healthy and function in a normal way. It was just so difficult. So I was kind of staying away from social media, staying away from pretty much everything, trying to figure out what I was gonna do, how I planned to tell people, if I planned to tell people. Again, I live in Texas, so I don't really have choices half the time. And by the time I did find out, mind you, I did have a period during those months, so no one can say, how did you not know, blah 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 blah, I had my period. Fuck you. Yeah, so I found out too late. I found out at the hospital on January 6th, about 11 weeks, and unfortunately that's the cutoff for the majority of states surrounding me. So I didn't really have another option. And Adrian, who's the father, super excited to have a kid. So we've been working through it, trying to figure it out, trying to make sure that everything is going decently. And I am trying to find a job where I can work from home and still do videos, because I'm at least in a decent place where I can function normally, if that makes sense, without wanting to pass out or feeling like I'm dying all the time. And I'm able to eat stuff now. I have to eat a lot of sugar, you guys, and that's been really hard for me within this past year, because y'all know I cut out a lot of sugar last year, which is apparently very bad. I'm not a maternity person. I'm not really, oh my god, come along with me to baby showers and all that. Like, no, I'm still me. Still very much me. Never been excited about giving birth. None of that. So you don't have to worry about that content change. I might make a baby. I might make a baby thing here or there, but like, you're not really gonna see a lot of that on my channel. Don't really want to be a YouTube mom, if that makes sense. I just want to continue doing me and being me. Those are all the updates in my life, but stay tuned. I am still going to make videos and post regularly, or attempt to post regularly, as I try and find a work from home job. And this will now be my sewing room / work office if I do get a work from home job. We will get there. We will get back to doing what we're doing. I'm still gonna make bras. I'm still gonna make clothes, all of that. And I guess I'll just have to use them as a goal after I give birth, to get back to that size, so that I can fit in these things. And yeah, I still have an entire book of ideas, and stick around with me. We're gonna figure things out still and go on adventures still. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been a while since I've done this. Anyways, love you guys. See you next time. And of course, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time.